10 reason Israeli disobedience Allah command and Allah punished it. Killing Prophet of Allah. They killed the Prophet Zakaria and Yahya, who was Zakaria's son, and they killed him too right after killing his father. When the people tried to kill the Prophet Jesus by crucifying him, but Allah made a miracle to save him by lifting him up to him. Worshipping the calf. Samri, a man who was inclined toward the evil, suggested that they filled themselves another guide as Musa salam had broke his promise. Samri ordered the people to collect all the gold they had and use to it make a golden calf for worship. Refused to accept Torah. After the calf incident, the Bani Israel refused to accept the Torah as the word of God. Took Isa salam, son of God. The people of Bani Israel took Isa salam, son of God, Allah. Talut warning, avoid drinking water. When Talut took his army against Talut, he clearly forbade his soldier not to drink water at the river, but the soldier of Bani Israel disobeyed the command of Allah and ultimately failed the divine examination. Refused to enter Jerusalem. People of Bani Israel were ordered to go into the Jerusalem and conquer it. That Bani Israel refused to enter, saying that the people of Canaan were mighty and strong and they can't go into it. They were then punished to wander into the desert for 40 years. Changing of word Hitatun to Hintatun. And remember when we said, enter the city and eat from whenever you place and enter the gate of humbly, and we will forgive you sin. But those who transgressed changed to something other than what was said to them, so we sent down on the sky because they were disobedient. Mano Salwa, there is a meal that Moses asked the Allah for his people Bani Israel, but the people of Bani Israel rejected the food sent by the Allah, and then Allah sent punishment on them because they rejected Allah's revelation. Talut selection. Allah has sent to Talut salam king to the people of Bani Israel, but the people of Israel disobey Allah and said that the Talut is very poor, and how can we rule over us? Harut and Marut.